similarities between the Revit 2017 interface and the AutoCAD that we work on. Basically, all the commands is categorized on top here under the different tabs. And then when you open up the Revit, this place is kind of give you like the project sample and then the family sample or the recent project here. This here is some sort of resources. I would recommend that you go through the essential skill videos and additional videos. There are a lot of resources for help you to getting started with the Revit. And then now up here you can open up a new drawings. Click here, that's going to create a new architecture or new file, and as you can see here are different type of templates. So I either can go over here and click on a different template, or I can click on the new and create a new template. On top here is this Revit icon, and you can see that I have like I have the same setting of a new file, new project, new family, and then go all the way down to the title blocks and annotation symbols. I can open up the new file. There are different type of file that I can open, and I can save the file and or save as it in a different format. I can also export the files if sometimes I need to export the file. Usually I want to use that, like for example the CAD file. Sometimes I want to export it to GBXML, which is used for the energy models. Sometimes I want to export it as a family so I can use it in other project. I can also export it as an image or animation, and I can just create that animation and share it with my clients. And then down here I can use it to print, and then basically this one is going to be closing it. So in order to create a new file, you have to go over here and then click on the new, or using from the same template here. This is going to give you a same like setups, like for example the construction, architectural, structural, and mechanical. I'm going to use the architectural. Before I start here, I explained this at the beginning of the class. When you are working on the Autodesk Revit, make sure that you are using on the same version that we have in our lab. And our lab has the Autodesk Revit 2017, because if you work on the Autodesk Revit 2018, you cannot downgrade the file to some older version. You can always can upgrade the file, but you cannot downgrade the file to something from newer version to the older version. So we're going to use the architectural template, and we're going to go open up the new project.